What's up, guys? It's your boy and we back outside, man. So today we got a very special video. We got another car on the channel. I know you guys are gonna absolutely love this car. You guys probably can tell already by the thumbnail of the video, so I'm not gonna talk too much. Just go ahead and jump into it. If you guys are new to my channel, we are sitting in my 2018 BMW 440i. It is an X-Drive. It's driven by all four wheels. It's putting out about 440 horsepower at the moment after the tune, of course. MSRP on this car can be like 52,000, somewhere around those lines. But I don't want to do too much talking about my car. If you guys are new, there's plenty of content out here in my channel for you guys. Let's go ahead and talk about what my other boy got. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get it.
Hello, my guy. What's good?
What's good, bro?
Nah, chilling. What's good, everybody? My name is Lou, aka Blended Gray. I drive a 2023 M340i X-Drive. I have an individual paint Drive It Gray. So if you're gonna go with the rear wheel version, I believe it's around 56,000. If you're gonna go with the X-Drive, it might be around 57, I believe.
And in terms of modifications, have you done anything to the car yet?
I have a couple of things done to it. A lot of it is cosmetic. I haven't done too much under the hood, at least. Well, too much. I haven't done anything under the hood, I'm lying. So front lip, I have a Maxxin front lip. I have Maxxin side skirts, Valvetronic exhaust. I have active autowork downpipe that is catted for anybody who's interested in that. Carbon fiber wrapped roof, XPEL, PPF if anybody's interested in that. Carbon fiber steering wheel, Apex wheels, KW coilovers. I got a decent amount done.
You have stage 1, stage 2, or stock?
It is stock. The only thing that's different about it, I have XHP trans tune on here, and that's stage 2. I haven't adjusted any settings. It's whatever came from, you know, RBC.
Yeah. Obviously, you guys know my car. You guys got to know a little bit about his car. So let's go ahead and do a sound off. I'm gonna go ahead and start, and then we'll bounce it up to him and see what's up. All right, here we go, guys.
I need a tune. It don't sound like that.
I need a tune. It don't sound like that.
It don't sound nothing like that.
I bet. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. I know not everybody likes the loud pops and bangs. We got a little combination of both, so comment down below which one you guys like best. And with that being said, we're about to hop into this POV drive. It's a little different, a dual POV drive, and let's get right into it. He got it nice and clean. He must have just got a wash, bro. Bro, did you get a wash today?
Yeah, I washed it. I washed it before. Bro, I can't have it on video and be dirty.
I mean, since it's white, you can't really tell on video, so it's like you can't really see it.
You can tell when this car is dirty because the PPF and everything like that. That's the one thing that people don't talk about when it comes to PPF. It sticks to the car because of the film, so like dust and all that stuff. Like the car will be clean, but it's dusty.
Wait, you PPF your whole car?
Yeah, my car is PPF, bro.
So I will do the same thing, but I wouldn't do it on this car because since I didn't get it new or anything like that, I'm not gonna do it to that, you know.
The thing with me, bro, is that I don't switch cars like that. So if I was to get another car, right, it would be just me adding to this. So, cause this is my first brand new car, and I don't know, it ain't a G80 or nothing like that, but
shit's so fire, bro.
Yo, people tell me, they're like, oh, get the G80, but at the same time, I originally had to order in for a G80, you know that, right?
Nah, I didn't.
What I ended up doing is I waited from, what was it, February all the way to September. So by that point, I wanted to switch out of my Infiniti, and I needed the 4 doors. So that's how I ended up in this. So I switched over to get this, and then a day after, BMW calls me and is like, yeah, we have an allocation for it. So they started doing production for it. So it only took me like truly 2 months to get this car.
Oh, so you like customized it and everything?
Yeah, so everything I have on it. So it has every package on it minus one package. The driver's assist, the self-driving thing, it doesn't have that.
Oh yeah.
But the reason I didn't want that because I don't. First of all, I'm driving the car. I don't need the car driving me.
Yeah.
I didn't know you like handpicked everything for it.
Yeah, I picked everything. I picked the color, you know, what packages I want.
Oh, that's fire.
I love this car. I don't care what nobody says. I do.
It's nice, bro, for sure.
I mean, but everybody, you know, the big argument is why you ain't get an M2.
But you know, people always got something to say, bro. You get an M2, they're gonna be like, why didn't you get an M3 or M5 or something?
That's the thing, and like that's what I'm probably gonna make the video about. That's probably gonna be one of my complaints. Everybody talking about the price, but yeah, like everybody's like, oh, you could get an M2, blah blah blah. But like, bro, I feel like this is a much more enjoyable car. Like you sat in it, it's comfortable. Like,
yeah, super comfortable.
When I go out, if I need a race car, I need a race car. But if I need a regular car, I got a regular car at the same time. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But yeah, and this car is fast as fuck.
Yeah, it looks so nice, bro.
Appreciate it.
And that gray, bro, really like, is it like, cause it looks kind of yet like when the sun hits it, you get like a hint of yellow on it.
Yeah, you do. You definitely do. The thing is with individual paint, you can't just treat individual paint anyhow. Sometimes I'll be just going to wash it, whatever, cause niggas, we lazy out here.
Before, bro, I used to be on top of my car, like, especially where it washes. The thing is, like, I used to have a garage, so like I used to do everything right there. But now that I moved, I don't have a garage. I don't have, you know, the ability to do all the same, like, the stuff I used to do. So it's like harder for me now. I have to be going everywhere to do it.
That's another reason I haven't gotten a G80. What do I look like having a G80 and I don't own a house, bro?
We gotta be like, we gotta get on an A-man type of timing, right?
I know, we definitely do.
I'm over here playing avoid the potholes. Nah, it looks so, bro. And that yellow, the lights, bro.
When the weather gets warmer again, I'm gonna change them back.
Why, you don't like the yellow anymore?
No, I like the yellow, but I feel like it fits for the winter. Maybe that's just me. I'm thinking about this the same way that you match clothes is the way I match my shit in my car.
He said, it's winter time, we gotta change.
It's winter time, so the DRLs fit now, but when it get warmer again, I think I'm gonna put the white ones on. You know how you got your white ups and you only supposed to wear them up to a certain time?
And how hard were they to like switch? It's not too hard, is it?
No, so this compared to the older version is much easier. All you have to do is take out the liner inside and just unscrew the module. But the older version, you have to like screw holes to get in there or do some extra shit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this one's easier. I think people are going to change the DRLs out. That's why. Oh, look at LCI. Look. You get that video?
Oh, yeah. That's a stock. Alright.
They look crazy.
Yeah. Yours is all-wheel drive, right? You said? Oh yeah, you're crazy being on that lane. You have what coilovers you said?
KW V2 coilovers.
I'm trying to get some for mine because my ride it's alright when the street is nice, but after is a pain in the butt, bro. Like any little hole and nothing is crazy.
What do you have?
I just have regular springs right now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean the coilovers absorb these bumps more than anything, bro. You see how we just went over those ones just now?
Yeah.
It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad.
In my car, they would have felt like everything was breaking apart.
I had BC coilovers when I had my Infinity before. Those were really bouncy. But I don't know what it's like for BMW. People don't complain about them with BMW too, because obviously their pricing is a lot better. I found these coilovers. I actually found these coilovers. I was up at like 2-3 a.m. in the morning, bro, and I saw them. Somebody in Jersey was selling them. He was like, yo, my G80's coming in. I'm parting out the car. Just come get these coilovers. So I got these off for a band. So they come from like, I think it's like 25 or 26. Because I have adaptive. Yeah, I have adaptive suspension. So like, you have to delete that with V2. V3, you can just plug it in and you keep it. But with V2, you have to delete it. So I got like a band off, so I paid like $1,600 for the coils. Brand new, basically, bro. He just put them on the car.
Yeah, because I have the adaptive suspension on mine, so I gotta get the deleting kit for it too.
So then, if that's the case, you gotta get V3, and that's running almost 3 bands. Yeah, so that's the thing. Another option for that's good is Fortune Auto. If you wanna go with Fortune Auto, they make good coilovers too.
No, but I haven't really looked into them like that.
Okay. Yeah, whenever. Coilovers is something I love. So.
Yeah. Probably should have got an upgrade.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, we out. Yeesh, what a monster. Look at that. Oh! That's so fire, bro. You know I used to not like the M340s, but take that right. Oh, where you going? You going straight?
Oh, I thought we were gonna go around.
Oh, we could. Yeah, we can just ride through here and go like back down instead.
Okay, back down there.
Yeah. You know, I didn't like them at first, but then like after you modify them a little bit, they like change completely, bro. It's like a whole different car.
Whole different other car, bro. Trust me, it's a whole different other car. You know, everybody, the big argument is whether or not you get this one or you get the older one. So everybody is like, oh, get a 2020. It don't matter if you get a 2020 or if you get a 2023 unless you care about the design. Because, you know, everybody's big concern is whether or not you can unlock the ECU. But it doesn't matter. If you femto unlock it, cars is the same. Minus the mild hybrid. If you want 2020, you don't get the mild hybrid. If you get 2021 plus, like all the way up to 2024, you get a mild hybrid.
But what's the difference with the mild hybrid? What's that?
It's partially electric powered. So like, for example, if I put this bitch in eco mode, I don't know if you want to put this in a video too. It actually tells you that the car is charging when you're driving it. Let me see if I can pull this up.
And how does the car feel though when you have it in there? I mean, since you haven't really done anything like in terms of like tune and stuff, it probably doesn't feel that different, right?
Oh look, so I'm putting the car in comfort now. It's the only thing. Anybody getting a Valvetronic exhaust, you might have to click the button a couple of times.
Oh, for it to open?
Yeah, it's open and close. I realize if you're in motion, it really doesn't close that well. But you see the cars in comfort now, bro.
Cause I mean, obviously, like these cars have the eco thing, but
Can you hear the car?
I can't.
What the heck? Even though you have an exhaust on it, still you can't even hear it.
You want to hear me rev it? Look.
Oh nah. What?
The car's in comfort right now, so I open the valves again. This is comfort with the valves open.
Let me see. Oh wow, that's a big change.
This car, I like this car. I like this car a lot.
It's a good car, bro. Honestly, it's a good car.
So how many different models? So they have that one, that mild hybrid, and then they got just the basic one, and then what?
Then there's the 340, like 440 like you, and everything like that. So that's before.
Oh, got you. Okay.
So there's a pre-LCI and there's an LCI. But only thing that's the difference is the bumper. The bumper, rear diffuser, and the hood. Everything else
like the front and back bumper, or just one of them?
Front and back bumper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but tail lights the same, you know, parts, suspension, wheels, and I realize a lot of people don't understand that too, which is weird. I don't know how. Car's not much different from yours, you know. I think the pump is just upgraded. Other than that, same thing, bro. Same thing, but interior, obviously.
All right, bet.
Whenever the time comes, you gonna get anything different than the 440?
Oh yeah, 100%. What? Bro, BMW has always been like my dream car. So, you know, like when I first got into this car, obviously I wanted an M4, but you know, I didn't have the money for M4. But then I saw, like, I started looking and researching, spent almost a whole year thinking about what's like the most reliable and whatever is gonna, you know, be good for me. I started looking at somehow I landed into 440s, and then I'm actually really, you know, I'm glad I did though, because this car has been treating me very well, bro.
That's good.
So, but yeah, bro, I'm thinking my next, I might stay with the B58 game for a little longer, and just upgrade and get like the new 440, but coupe. I think I'm gonna do next.
Okay.
Yeah.
The new grill?
Yeah, but I think there's new like, you know, people have changed them. Like, you see how they come up with the aftermarket? Yeah, and then kind of change it. I think I'm gonna change the grill on it. Yeah, with the new grill, but I think I'm gonna change it though to something else.
I do think you should get one. If you want me to truly be honest, nobody gets 440s, and you know now they're making a lot of parts for it. They even have the DRLs for it, because obviously the G80 and stuff like that. But like, you could get CSL tail lights. Like, bro, nobody wants to. First of all, nobody spends the money on the M4 anyway, so that's a problem in itself. But
exactly,
a 440 is still a B58, you know. So I think that's a good move, honestly.
I'm thinking about staying with that, you know, B58, keeping the 440,000, you know, alive and stuff. Cause like you said, not too many people be having these cars like that, bro. Like I don't think they know about it that much, bro. I think that's what it is. Cause nobody really hypes it up like that.
That's the thing. Everybody's on the M340, but they need to understand that there's other B58s that's there.
I might be the one that brings it to light, man. I'ma be it. I don't know.
Cause at the same time, bro, nobody liked this car when it came out. Like this look, everybody said this shit was ugly. Even my brother, he was like, yo, I don't know why you still getting it. Because when I changed the order over is when they just changed to this model. So like the change had just happened, like literally just happened. He was like, oh, you should just get a used. And I was like, bro, once you modify these cars, same thing with like the M5 and stuff like that. When the M5 actually comes out, people are gonna modify it. It's gonna come out fire.
Is gonna come to it at first.
And watching when people start modifying it, bro, everybody's gonna start falling in love with it too.
Exactly. The people truly can care less about, oh, things are electronic here and there, blah, blah. Screw all that. You don't care about that.
For real.
Everybody just want to be a part of a trend, bro.
Yep.
So that's why I figured with this, when I started modifying it, I saw a vision. I was like, all right, I'm gonna try my best to at least make this look decent looking, because people already hate it. People already hate it because they're like, it's mild hybrid. You have to send out the ECU if you want to unlock it.
And the front grill, you know, the front grill looks like a beaver face. So
yeah.
I seen a video of somebody, like, you see how you have like the protection, it's not like that black thing that's like behind the grill that you can't really see through it. I seen somebody cutting that out.
Yeah, people do that. You gotta check engine if you do that though.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you gotta check engine light if you do that.
True. Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't. I just people do it though.
You can code it out. People do it because they want their intake to be shown. But the thing is, for these cars, bro, I don't think for these cars it's worth it. If you get the M cars, yeah, because those grill, they show all the time, you know?
Yeah.
The way, if say I wasn't gonna cut this little slats out or whatever and blah blah blah, the only way to see it is if I'm pushing the car hard or if I'm running the AC, and then it'll open up on its own.
Oh, so it opens. It's like, so it doesn't always, it's not always closed like that.
Nah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
But bro, you have to run the car hard. You have to turn the AC and the heat blazing. So like it's like bullshit. It's either you do that or cut it out. So for me, I'm like, it's not worth it. People like to see it. So there's like V braces on the other side of it too. People change those out and put like decorate it and put different colors. I'm like, yo, that's not worth it. It's too much work for me. It's too much work for me to see it.
It's cold out in New York. With that being said, guys, if you guys enjoy it, you guys already know what to do. Subscribe down below, like, comment, and all of that. Also, go check out my boy right here, man. Appreciate you being in the video.
Follow us. Thank you for having me, bro. Follow me at Blended Gray, both on YouTube and IG. I'm starting the YouTube thing, you know.
Yes,
boy
sir.
Put me on.
Yeah.
So we're working on that right now.
Yes,
so
sir.
Blended Gray _.
Hey, if you guys want to see more of that car, man, you guys already know what you gotta do. Go check them out.
Because we have a couple of things waiting.